Ladies and gentlemen, I got a 2017 Ram 3500 heavy duty 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel, LARAMIE, crew cab, long bed. This vehicle is ready to tow. Ready to tow. Brand new Cooper Discovery tires, 10-ply, running boards, leather interior, factory navigation, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, 41,000 miles on it. Once again, it is a 2017. My name is Pat. I'm at Jim Quick Dodge, Tucson Automall. Give me a call, 520-661-4138. Class 5 tow hitch, front and rear parking sensors, 41,000 miles. Once again, Pat Russo, Jim Quick Dodge, Ram, Tucson Automall, 520-661-4138. Give me a call. You will not be disappointed. Have a great day.